Good morning, world. It's my last day here in Cabungawan Beach Resort in Burgos, Pangasinan. And it's 3:21 in the morning, February 16, 2026. So again, bago tayo lumabas, let's have our morning ritual. At syempre, kasama pa rin natin for today's protection ang Belo Sun Expert with SPF 60+. So the best time to apply sunscreen is at least 15 minutes before you go to the beach to allow it to absorb into the skin and be most effective. So apply a decent amount, no? Whether you will apply it to your arms, to your knees, shoulders, face. But ako kasi sa face, iba yung ina-apply ko. I usually apply yung sunscreen ng YouGlow Babe because I like the texture and it's very light. And yes, bago tayo mag-apply ng sunscreen sa face, even if nakapaghilamos na ako, I usually wipe my face with a wet towel or wet tissue. So, para syempre matanggal yung mga natirang mga dumi. Kasi hindi naman lahat I know na natatanggal pag nagsasabon tayo ng mukha, lalo na kapag mabilisan lang, right? So, and also para matanggal na rin yung oiliness ng face natin bago tayo mag-apply ng sunscreen. But this is how I apply sunscreen sa face. It depends on you kung paano nyo i-apply yung sunscreen on your face. And syempre, present pa rin ang ating YouGlow Babe Sunscreen. I really like it because very light yung feeling kapag in-apply natin siya. And also, ang bilis ng absorbent niya sa skin. And para kasi siyang may foundation effect. And the glow after you apply it is very nice. I mean, para kang nag-apply talaga ng foundation. Yeah. So, nilalagay ko siya sa face and also my neck para syempre pantay naman, diba? Sunscreen application guide that I can share with you as an outdoor girly, as an outdoor person. First is choose the right sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher than that. So, si Belo na ginagamit ko ngayon, SPF 60+ siya. Si YouGlow Babe naman is 40 SPF. So, yun yung mga brands na I can recommend to you. Second is use enough. So, for most people na gumagamit ng little sunscreen, okay lang yun kung yun yung comfortable sa skin mo. But, I highly recommend if you're going to the beach, apply a generous amount. Roughly, yung talagang mako-cover yung entire skin mo. Next is cover all exposed skin. But syempre, don't forget to apply sa mga areas na hindi naman din exposed but necessary, like behind your ears and back of your neck. At yes, I am 100% physically recovered because nakatulog ako ng sobrang sarap. And I am not crying for whatever reason. Naiiyak ako dahil yung sipon ko lagi may kakambal na pag-iyak yan. And I know for sure ganun din kayo mismo. And alam nyo, it was very long time ago since the last solo trip that I have. And napakaraming bagay na I am grateful for nung nagstay ako dito sa Burgos, Pangasinan. Anyway, this place is recommended by a very good friend of mine. So, nakatulong sa akin yung short break na to from work to reflect, to disconnect, and to be grateful for the things that I have right now. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na wala dito sa mga tao. And yeah, sige na, bye-bye na!